Lesson 2.5, Concept 2, Simplifying each side before solving. So when we're given a inequality that looks something like this, where we've got multiple like terms on each side, we don't want to start moving things from side to side until we have combined all of our like terms. Okay, it's going to be much cleaner and much easier if we combine first. All right, so our first job is to combine those like terms. Okay, step 1. So over here I have 2x plus 3 minus x, and I can move any of my terms around because it's all addition or subtraction, as long as I carry the sign with them, right? So I can rewrite this as 2x minus x plus 3, or x plus 3 is less than, and then on this side they're already next to each other, so I don't need to worry about it. A negative 7 plus 2 is going to get me to a negative 5, so minus 3x minus 5. And now I can move my variables across, combine my variables. In this case, this variable is smaller, right? It's got a lesser value, so I'm going to move that one. Add 3x, add 3x, 4x, and I'm going to even do this in the same line. I'm going to subtract 3, those will cancel, and I've got 4x less than negative 8. Divide by 4, and I'm going to have x is less than negative 2. Right? Keep in mind the steps for solving your inequality and graphing it are all pretty much the same as when you have multiple variables on one side. Okay, that adds a step. So we're just adding one more step each time. All right. Once we've got it, we're going to graph it. We're at negative 2. It's not an equal to. It's not greater than or less than or equal to. So we're going to have an open circle. And then it is, my sign is opening to the left with my variable on the left-hand side. So my arrow is going to point to the left, right? Because x is less than negative 2. So it's going to go that way.